Welcome back to the channel, and here is the final build. This took 5.5 hours to build the first part of this 180 curve. This is the first part, and the other half will go over there. And this does have a 30-degree bank on it. So when the cars come through the finish line, they'll head up there and head downwards. Overall, I'm really wrapped with this build. It's really a solid build, and mostly it looks fantastic. The printer does a really good job, and this is just stock standard settings. I haven't changed anything in the software, for the slicing software at all. The only thing I have done is obviously leveled all of this and done the first layer leveling and all this on the Prusa original i3 MK3. There is a problem, however, with this print, which I'm not bothered about because I can always sand this out. But what I've noticed is the dragging. You can really see it here on the back end. You see this here? That is because I have the nozzle just a little bit too low. I just need to raise that up, and that will just stop that dragging. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So I'm just thinking out loud here. It's quite ugly, really. I mean, for me, it's fine, but as a saleable product, you certainly wouldn't let that out. But overall, the print is fantastic, and you can just see in there. You can just see where it sort of hits that curve, where it's struggling. And what I have to do is, I don't know if you can see it. That's the nozzle just up and through there. You can't really see it. It's right a bit hard. I've just got to raise it up, like just slightly. So I'll do another print tomorrow, and of the other half, and we'll see how that goes. So yeah, overall, I'm wrapped. I can't wait to do the other print, put this together on the end of the track, and see how the cars actually go through this bit of sort of Hot Wheels sized curve. I don't know whether it's too steep coming off the finish line, but time will tell. Alrighty, thanks for watching this. Don't forget, tomorrow is Battle 20 of Road Warriors. That'll be up sometime tomorrow afternoon. Alright, catch you later.